How to change your YouTube channel country of residency. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to open up the YouTube account that you want to edit. In my case, I have it right here. And once inside, you want to click on your profile icon. From here, you can just go ahead and click on YouTube Studios, and it will take you to the main settings of your YouTube right here. Once inside, go ahead and click on settings, click on channel, and inside we have the country of residency. You can just go ahead and click on it, and this menu will show up where you can now select your country of residency. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.